Thanks for joining me in this video. If you're watching this video, I'm assuming that you want to make money online and you're going to be really pleased. You're going to be happy because this video will literally save you years of struggle, and it's not another BS video. I'm not going to give you loads of guru-like strategies. I'm going to literally tell you something that will save you a lot of struggle and years of messing about and struggling, and it will especially help you if you've already been online for years trying to make money online and nothing seems to work. So watch this video and watch to the end, because I'm going to give you something that will actually explode your results without any hype, without any BS. I'm going to give you something that will make sure that you make money no matter what stage that you're at, and once you get it you will wonder what the problem was. So let's get straight into it. Why most people never make money online. I'm going to give you the brutal truth. I'm going to explain what it is, and maybe you can resonate with the video. Maybe you'll be in this position. So let's get straight into it. The problem: most people fail to make money online, and it's not because they lack information. When I got started making money online, and I won't make this really long, but it was almost 20 years ago, and the online landscape has changed hugely. There wasn't any YouTube, there was HTML sites, and you had to sort of research the information, and it was hard to find the information. Since then, we've got YouTube, like you're watching now, that will tell you anything that you need to know about any subject, and then on top of that you've got AI, and you've got so many different formats for that, video courses, and everything is easily right on the fingertips. So why are they still failing online? Well, most people don't fail online because they lack information. What it is, the first thing is, you fail because information becomes a hiding place. For instance, maybe you'll resonate with this. You can have 100 courses on your hard drive. You can watch 500 YouTube videos on a subject. You can research on ChatGPT. You can get every AI tool and still make $0. The real problem isn't a lack of knowledge. It's something much deeper that I'm going to address in this video and give you how to fix. So let me ask you this: are you always researching niches? Do you always find that you're in research mode, looking for the perfect business model, telling yourself you'll start next week when you get everything together, been planning for months or years? Most people get stuck in this planning mode, and it's a really easy fix, but I'm just going to explain why that happens. Psychology says the first reason it happens is analysis paralysis. You can't say that after a few drinks, but consuming information is easy and taking action feels uncomfortable. It's your brain saying, if I just learn a little more, then I'll finally be ready and I won't fail. And ready never comes. It's that thing in your brain that is trying to help you because it doesn't want you to fail. So it says, okay, if we just get a little bit more information, if we do a little bit more research, maybe we haven't got the right course, and so on. The second thing is self-handicapping. It's your brain again protecting you. If you never start taking action, you've still got that picture of success. $5,000, $10,000 a month, $15,000, and you never have to be tested, and your future stays perfect in your mind. And what happens is planning mode becomes the safest place because you can't fail. Your future is still there. The problem is, of course, nobody gets paid in planning mode. So the real fear here, and then I'll give you the solution, the real fear isn't what if I lose $100 or even $1,000 on ads. It's not really that. It's what if I give this everything I've got and it still doesn't work. So planning protects your dream. You're still taking action, you're still planning, but nothing is getting done. Taking actual action tests the dream, and it starts to actually give you variables that might fail. So not to push this point too much, but the last thing is, as long as you don't start, you can still imagine that financial freedom, quitting the 9 to 5, 10k months, time freedom, and action will introduce fails, flops, and things that don't work. So maybe you can resonate with this. Most people would rather keep a perfect dream alive than risk discovering that something doesn't work. Okay? So, all that said, what's the difference between people making money online? And this is the bit that will help you. The people who eventually make money online aren't smarter. They're just willing to destroy the fantasy and collect real world data. So a lot of what you do online, and the reason I've got ClickBank on the screen is because that's where I started almost 20 years ago, and made money and replaced my 9 to 5, and then I went on to build my own products, then I went into SEO, then I built hundreds of affiliate sites. And the difference is you have to override your brain and focus on actions that will collect real world data. And the way you do this, so the way you do it in your mind, is you treat it as an experiment. So if it's an experiment, it won't fail, it will simply give you information. So that's the first thing. Maybe that doesn't resonate with you, but that's what I'd suggest. Instead of treating it as the ultimate life plan, treat it as an experiment where you're getting feedback, you're getting information. And a way I like to explain this is think about a garden with flowers and you're planting the seeds. Now some of those seeds won't grow, but your focus is on planting the seeds. It's not on planning the perfect garden, because the planning of the perfect garden is quite simple. You know what you want, you roughly know how much you want to make, you know what you want the garden to look like, but are you planting the seeds? So that gets me to my second point that will help. Focus on actions daily. So you can write down now and you can say, okay, I've got a goal of making $10,000 a month. And of course, that's where courses and planning does come in help. You have to have a roadmap to get there. Okay, I'll talk about that in a second. But it's really easy to go, okay, $10,000 a month and I'm going to do this and I'm going to do that. Your life will change when you focus on actions daily. So what I mean by that, without sounding too cliche, because it's so easy to say, what I actually mean is break down your goals and break down what you need to do to daily tasks that are manageable, and make sure that you focus on actions. So publish 30 articles, upload 50 videos, build one funnel, send 20 emails. And the way you do this so it actually works is, let's say you're going to build a ClickBank funnel. What you could do today is research domains and buy a domain and hosting. And then tomorrow you could install WordPress. And then on the third day you could install the plugins. And then on the fourth day you could write out the copy for your squeeze page. And then on the fifth day you could publish that. And then on the sixth day you could build your thank you page. On the seventh day you could publish that. On the eighth day you could start writing your emails. On the ninth day you could load them in. I'm not saying that's the plan. I'm saying look how quickly it accumulates. And I know it sounds silly, but in 10 days you would be further ahead than most people ever get. So you have to, and then the next part of it is, once you've got it built, you need to be able to send traffic to it, which you'll be pleased to know is just actions. Get that Facebook ad campaign set up, get that SEO campaign, and break it down into actions. So you don't need to, like if you were doing Facebook ads, you don't need to do it all in one day. You could again build out a simple 10-20 day plan where you actually do one thing a day. Okay, I'm going to get my ad creatives together, I'm going to decide on the ad. And you can do this and break it down into 2-3 hour daily tasks, or even one hour if you but it's that action. Let me give you this that will help explain this. Confidence and results won't come before action. The action creates the evidence, and the evidence creates confidence, and the confidence creates more action, and those actions create results. So what a lot of people do is they feel confident in planning because of what we've just explained, but they're not getting any feedback, they're not getting enough evidence. And normally what happens if you are taking actions and failing, it's probably not a lot of action. And I don't mean that's because you're lazy. I mean it's like, okay, I've done one video in 2 weeks or something like that. Okay, you need to break this down so you're taking good actions. The more actions you take, the more feedback that you will get. Again, most people haven't got an information problem, they've got an action problem disguised as research. Okay, so what is the main thing, the main help that I want to give you? When you want to make money online, it doesn't reward planning, it rewards imperfect action. Let me give you an example. I made over $350,000 with a ClickBank guide for the Xbox 360 console, which was a guide on how to repair the console. The guide was a one-page PDF that provided the solution, and I made all sorts of mistakes. I didn't build a list from all those sales, I didn't have a follow-up email sequence, I didn't find a way of selling other products on top. I did in the end, but I took ages about this. And I made all that money based off one product on the front end, which was $27. I didn't capitalize on it, but it rewarded imperfect action. So this is my challenge for you. For the next 30 days, you probably don't need any more courses. Pick one thing, map out the actions that you need to take in a manageable fashion for an hour, 2 hours a day. Simple tasks, not massive research and not getting perfect at SEO. Simple tasks. Buy the domain, get the site up, run the experiments, build it, launch it, learn from it with feedback, and you will be really, really surprised when things start working and you're like, oh my god, that made a sale. And then all you do is capitalize on what's working. It gets easier because once something sells, you then know, okay, this is working, how can I make more sales? How can I improve the funnel? How can I improve the back end? How can I add in some upsells? That's the only hurdle standing between you and starting to make really, really good money online. So if you want to help with this, do check out my ultimate offer. I know I've just said don't buy any more courses, but I want to mention it because it gives you all my products, 175 products, $10,000 worth of products. And also the main reason that I wanted to tell you about it is I'm offering brand new 30-day coaching for affiliate sites and for funnels. Brand new, not seen before. So if you want help with guidance with those actions, come and join us and get in. I'll put the link below. It's not a sales pitch, but I wanted to give you that. That is the way that you can make money online. Until you start taking actions towards a goal, one thing, don't worry about getting that thing perfect, whether it's a ClickBank funnel, an affiliate site, your own product. Just get something up and out there with traffic coming to it in a step-by-step fashion so you can actually get some feedback on those actions. But focus on the actions daily. I hope that helps. If it did, do subscribe because I'm going to post some more stuff that will help, some case studies, things like that. And do check out the ultimate offer. I'll put the link in the description. I'd really appreciate your feedback. Let me know in the comments, what do you think's holding you back? I'm really interested. I've had 20 years online. I've coached thousands of people now, and that is my best information on what I see. But what's holding you back? Maybe it's something different. Let me know and I'll try and help if you answer in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.